Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to delete all Gmail emails at once on iPhone. So I'm going to opening my Gmail app, and if you have a bunch of mails in your Gmail and now you want to delete all of them at once, I will show you 2 different ways to delete all emails at once on iPhone. In first method, we will delete all mails using Gmail app. So go ahead and launch your Gmail app and tap on your profile photo and select the Gmail account in which account you want to delete all mails. Okay, now tap on this hamburger menu and select primary to open your inbox. And now tap and hold any email to select the mail. Once you selected a single mail, at the top left corner you will find this select all option. Just tap on that, and at the same time you will be able to select 50 emails. And if you have more than 50 emails, then all you have to need is scroll down to load more emails. Once you successfully load it, again tap on select all, and your next 50 emails will be selected. Same way, if you have more emails, just scroll down, load more emails, and just tap on select all to select all of them at once. Now just tap on this delete icon, and as you can see, I've successfully deleted all emails at once. And now I will show you the second way to delete all mails at once. To do that, we will use the Mail app. So go ahead and launch Mail app on your iPhone. Tap on this mailbox icon, and here select the Google account where you want to delete mails. So here I'm selecting this inbox, and now tap on edit and tap on select all, and all of your mails will be selected at once. You don't need to scroll down to load more mails. Just tap on select all and all of your mails will be selected. Now all you have to do is just tap on move, and here tap on trash, and that's it. You've successfully deleted all of your Gmail emails at once. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.